Happy New Year, guys! We are at Shooting Gallery Studios in Makati, Philippines, and in a few moments, we will be taking part in a Guinness World Record attempt for the most number of people to perform a drop test at the same time. And this will be done using the ultra-durable HONOR X9c, which I have with me right now. And there are a few very strict rules that we need to adhere to in order to accomplish this. First, there has to be a minimum number of 250 people. Next, it has to be done, of course, at the same time. Oh, and by the way, we are shooting this video using the 108 megapixel main camera of the HONOR X9c. It has two cameras at the back along with a ultra-wide camera. So check it out, guys.
Okay. Ready? Are you guys all ready for the official attempt? This is not a practice round. This is the official attempt. Are you ready? Okay, so you will start on my go as she's explained before. So are you ready? For the record, are you ready? I see some of you guys filming. You will be disqualified. Please be careful. We will start the drop test. Are you ready? Okay. For the record, 3, 2, 1, go! 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
3, 2, 1. Pick up your phone. It's working. Please turn it on. Please turn it on. Stay on your places.
Stewards, check.
Walang aalis. Walang aalis.
We had just finished our Guinness World Record attempt for the most number of drop tests being performed at the same time. And where I'm standing is where we made that attempt. As you can see, there are stickers on the floor from 1 to all the way to something like 270. The minimum that we need the minimum number of successful attempts that we have to complete is 250. So from what I'm seeing, there are stickers all the way to 270. Are we gonna be successful? I hope so. And as you can see, the floor where we made the attempt is very uneven. It is cement, although it is painted. There are imperfections. It's not entirely smooth. And let me show you the exact phone that I used to make that attempt. You'll see that it is working perfectly. There are no breaks. The screen is still fine, although the screen protector is already starting to peel off. So in a few moments, we will find out if we are successful, if we're able to meet 250 attempts. But whether or not it is successful, it's still a win for HONOR X9c because, as you can see, it is still durable. It doesn't discount the fact that it is still a durable phone.
Everyone at this HONOR X9c 5G event attempted the Guinness World Record title of most people performing a mobile phone drop test simultaneously. I have concluded going over all the evidence, so would like to announce the result. The record to beat for this title was 250 participants. I can confirm that with 264 participants, the Philippines has achieved a new Guinness World Record title.
If you want to know more about the HONOR X9c, check it out on our YouTube channel. Search for Tekuya. We have a boiling test, temperature tests, as well as other information on this phone. See you guys there. Bye.